Deb with Home Cooking is for the Birds. Let's make this yummy one skillet meal, this low carb skillet meal, and it is scrumptious. We're going to start off with 1 pound of ground turkey sausage, breakfast sausage. You can use pork if you would like, but I'm allergic to pork. I have the alpha-gal syndrome. Make sure to drain all the fat off of your sausage, and then we are going to move that sausage aside in our skillet and add a couple of pats of butter. Turn your stovetop eye or your burner down to simmer, and we are going to add half of a red bell pepper and a quarter of a yellow onion diced. And we're going to let this simmer until those onions and bell peppers are nice and soft and sauteed. Add 6 eggs to a bowl and go ahead and mix them. Add a little salt and pepper and just a splash of milk. I find that the milk helps to make the eggs a little bit softer. Once your bell peppers and your onions are sauteed, just move them aside with your sausage. Throw in another pat of butter. And you want to make sure to coat that side of the pan really well with that butter. And you guessed it, we are going to scramble our eggs right in that skillet. Once our scrambled eggs are finished cooking, we are going to mix all of this together. Then we're going to top this with 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. At this point, you can turn your stovetop eye or your burner off, and voila, dinner is ready to be served. We like to make tortillas out of this, or you can just simply eat this in a bowl, and that would make such a low carb meal. Either way, this is always so quick, easy, and scrumptious.